Hey, let me ask you a question. Who do you know that can't afford free? Yeah, free. Because that's all you're doing. You're giving away a free app. That's it. But here's where it gets cool. This app actually saves people money on stuff they're already buying: restaurants, gas, groceries, travel, shopping, all the good stuff. So now you're the hero, right? You just gave them an app that helps them save money automatically. They love you for it, but Save Club, they designed this thing to get you paid. Here's how it works. Step 1. You send someone to a simple website. They download the free app. Step 2. Once they opt in, AI takes over. It starts following up for you. It tells them how they can get paid just by giving away the same free app. Boom, duplication, automation, no convincing, no selling. AI is doing all the work while you chill. And it doesn't stop there. The AI also shows them how they can unlock even more savings by upgrading into Save Club. So you're building a downline, stacking commissions, and getting paid. All because you gave someone a free app that actually helps them. This isn't some dusty old ebook. This isn't a maybe they'll use it type of lead magnet. They will use this app. It's saving them money every single day. You just became a walking ATM by helping people. Your leads flying in for you and your team. Your conversions handled by AI, your income stacking. And the best part? There's no cost to get the app. Because again, who can't afford free? So yeah, Save Club is the easiest, fastest, and smartest side hustle on the planet right now. You don't need to pitch, you don't need to explain, you just give away a free app that does all the heavy lifting for you, seriously. If you can copy and paste a link, you can get paid. So who do you know that wants to save money and maybe make a ton of it too? Let's go.